Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make an easy matcha latte. You can choose milk, or if you want dairy free, you can have soya milk or almond milk. Then we have some sugar or vanilla extract if you want your latte taste sweet. Then we have some matcha powder, bamboo whisk and a spoon, or a normal spoon is fine as well, and a sifter. You want to sift the powder to remove the lumps. Whisk the powder in a letter M or W motion until the powder is dissolved. Heat the milk in the saucepan until the small bubbles appear. Do not boil fully. Froth the milk using the frother, but in my case, I'll use the blender.
And that's the end of the video. Now let's enjoy!